Wealthy Skills Unveiled. Secrets of Millionaires. These are the skills that can pave your way to the life you've envisioned. Number 1. Financial literacy. This is the ultimate toolkit to boss up your financial mastery. It's like your backstage pass to the millionaire mindset. Imagine nailing money management like a pro. No more budgeting blues, just you and your money in perfect harmony. Flip those pages and dive into the art of investments, where your cash becomes your employee, working overtime to build your empire. And financial planning, it's not about squeezing every penny, it's about crafting a roadmap that leads to your dream life. Let's face it, you're not just here to hustle, you're here to thrive. So whether you're a newbie or a seasoned player, these secrets are the holy grail of financial literacy, unlocking doors to a future where your money works for you, and you call the shots. 2. Entrepreneurship. Get ready to unleash your inner mogul, the ability to create and manage successful businesses, nestled right in the treasure trove of wisdom. We're diving deep into the art of business mastery. It's like having a backstage pass to the realm of high-stakes decision-making and groundbreaking innovation. Wrap your mind around this. You're not just starting ventures, you're sculpting your legacy. From crafting a killer business plan to assembling a team that's as driven as you are, these pages are your blueprint for entrepreneurial domination. Say goodbye to playing small. It's all about embracing calculated risks and turning challenges into opportunities. Think of entrepreneurship as your ultimate playground, where you dream big, work smart, and manifest success like a boss. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned player, these secrets will have you strategizing like a grandmaster and executing like a visionary. 3. Negotiation. Effective bargaining and deal-making skills, nestled within the treasure trove of wisdom. We're talking about the secret sauce of wheeling and dealing. These pages hold the keys to unlocking win-win scenarios that leave everyone walking away with a smile. Whether you're sealing million-dollar contracts or snagging deals that redefine industries, negotiation is your superpower. It's not about being cutthroat. It's about being a master communicator, knowing how to sway opinions and craft agreements that set the stage for your success. Channel your inner negotiator as you learn to read the room, wield your words with finesse, and turn negotiations into collaborations. Remember, you're not just haggling, you're sculpting the path to abundance. Whether you're new to the game or a seasoned pro, these secrets are your backstage pass to becoming the dealmaker extraordinaire, driving your success story forward one well-negotiated agreement at a time. 4. Communication. Think of it as your secret weapon to leave a lasting impact. Whether you're pitching ideas, sealing deals, or simply engaging in everyday interactions. It's not just about talking, it's about crafting a narrative that resonates, commanding attention and respect in every room you enter. From nailing that crucial first impression to mastering the delicate art of active listening, communication is your passport to establishing powerful connections and wielding influence like a true leader. So whether you're an introvert seeking to amplify your voice or an extrovert aiming to refine your impact, these secrets are your blueprint for mastering the art of communication, paving the way to a future where your words become the driving force behind your success story. 5. Time management. Time is your most precious asset, and learning to wield it with finesse is your ticket to success. Whether you're juggling multiple ventures, chasing audacious goals, or simply seeking a balanced life, these secrets empower you to allocate time like a master strategist, ensuring that your efforts align with your ambitions. Whether you're stepping onto this path for the first time or aiming to refine your time-handling skills, these insights are your gateway to crafting a life where each tick of the clock brings you one step closer to your dreams. 6. Emotional intelligence. In the captivating journey of unlocking the vault of wealth, one invaluable gem gleams brighter than the rest: emotional intelligence, EI. It's like having a hidden superpower that lets you navigate life's turbulent seas with finesse. EI is your compass, guiding you to recognize and master emotions, those swirling currents within you and the tides that sweep through others. By grasping your own emotional landscape, you gain a profound understanding of your reactions and can steer them towards productive waters. But it doesn't stop there. EI is also the alchemical key to decoding the emotions of those around you, paving the path for deeper connections and powerful alliances. It's a skill that magnates swear by, a secret handshake shared among millionaires. By honing your AI, you fortify the pillars of success, whether you're closing a deal, building a team, or weathering a storm. So embark on this quest, unravel the layers of emotional intelligence, and witness how this transformative skill becomes your most trusted advisor on the road to riches. Attention savvy investors and finance enthusiasts. Unlock financial freedom and master wealth creation at BraylenAV.com. Subscribe now for a prosperous journey. 7. Public speaking. We're diving into the art of commanding attention, connecting with crowds and leaving your mark. Imagine captivating a room effortlessly, your words weaving a spell that enchants and inspires. Public speaking isn't a mere skill, it's a dynamic force that fuels the engines of success. As you step onto that stage, you're not just speaking, you're painting dreams with your words. It's about feeling the pulse of your audience, adapting your message and sculpting an experience that lingers long after the applause. Millionaires know this secret sauce. They've honed the ability to articulate visions and rally minds. From boardrooms to grand auditoriums, public speaking isn't just a tool, it's a weapon that unleashes your potential. Embrace the spotlight, hone your cadence, and watch as this skill elevates you from the ordinary to the extraordinary. 8. Self-discipline. It's all about channeling your inner drive, turning determination into a laser focus that cuts through distractions. Self-discipline is your North Star, guiding you through the stormy seas of setbacks and temptations. You see, this isn't about sprints, it's about marathons. Millionaires know that success isn't instant. It's the sum of daily disciplined actions. It's choosing the long-term win over instant gratification. With self-discipline, you're sculpting a future of your own design, one decision at a time. From waking up at the crack of dawn to saying no to short-term pleasures, this skill transforms mere mortals into wealth architects. Embrace discomfort, within it lies your growth. 9. Delegation. It's not just about passing the buck, it's about productivity. Think about it, you're a master of your craft, but can you do it all alone? Nope, that's a one-way ticket to burnout town. Delegation is your golden ticket to the empire of efficiency. When you assign tasks with finesse, you're not just lightening your load, you're setting a high-octane engine in motion. Picture your to-do list shrinking, while your impact skyrockets. You're not losing control, you're gaining mastery. 10. Continuous learning. Continuous learning is your turbocharged button, propelling you beyond limits. Whether it's a new industry trend, a cutting-edge technique, or an age-old wisdom, absorbing knowledge is like adding fuel to your success engine. Your diploma might be hanging on the wall, but your real education is ongoing. As you embrace the thrill of learning, you're not just evolving, you're revolutionizing. So ditch the comfort zone and embrace the power of constant expansion, a millionaire's secret recipe for conquering horizons. It's not about being a know-it-all, it's about becoming an unstoppable force. 11. Charisma. You've got dreams, but who's going to help you achieve them? Not robots, it's people. Charisma is your ace in the hole, the key to unlocking doors that lead to collaboration, partnerships and connections that accelerate your ascent. It's not about faking it, it's about radiating authenticity and confidence. Your charisma isn't just an accessory, it's your beacon in a sea of faces. As you cultivate your personal charm, you're not just becoming likable, you're becoming unforgettable. Drop the monotone script and embrace the power of charisma, a millionaire's secret potion for crafting a network that's solid gold. It's not about being the center of attention, it's about being the center of influence. 12. Creativity. We're plunging into a game-changing skill, creativity. It's not just about coloring outside the lines, it's about rewriting the whole story. Think about it, the world doesn't remember the copycats, it craves the originals. Creativity isn't a talent reserved for a select few. It's a muscle waiting to be flexed by you. It's not about producing art, it's about engineering innovation in whatever you do. Your ideas aren't just fleeting sparks, they're dynamite sticks of progress. As you tap into your wellspring of creativity, you're not just adding color, you're painting the future. Shatter the mold and embrace the whirlwind of creativity, a millionaire's secret formula for leaving an indelible mark. It's not about being eccentric, it's about being exceptional. 13. Teamwork. You can hustle solo, but you can conquer the world with an orchestra. Teamwork isn't about sacrificing your shine, it's about igniting a collective brilliance. It's not about being the loudest voice, it's about being the glue that binds diverse strengths. Your achievements aren't just solitary, they're collaborative conquests. As you navigate the dynamics of teamwork, you're not just achieving common goals, you're rewriting the definition of unity. Drop the solo act and embrace teamwork for sculpting the future. 14. Resilience. Resilience isn't just a word, it's a force coursing through the veins of those who've tasted success. When the road gets tough, don your armor of determination, reminding yourself that every stumble is a setup for a legendary comeback. Millionaires don't become millionaires because they dance through life untouched. No, they're the phoenixes who rise from their personal ashes, fueled by the unyielding spirit to conquer adversities. Embrace the process, and when life tests you, test it right back. Patience and persistence are your partners here. They hold the blueprints to reconstruct your dreams even when they seem shattered. Setbacks are mere setups for jaw-dropping comebacks. Resilience isn't just a skill, it's your stairway to the million-dollar view of your own success story. 15. Stress management. The titans of success don't crumble when stress knocks. They stand firm, and with finesse, navigate its turbulent waters. Wrap your mind around this. Stress isn't the enemy, it's the catalyst that propels you forward, if you wield it right. Cultivating emotional well-being isn't a luxury, it's your secret weapon. When the pressure cooker of life hisses, take a breath, recalibrate, and make stress your muse. In the realm of millions, your emotional resilience is the crown jewel. Embrace the chaos, dance with the demands, and remember, stress bends to your will, not the other way around. After all, amidst the Millionaire's code, lies your map to serenity and mastery over every storm that dares cross your path. 16. Digital marketing expertise. The masters of the money game don't just dip their toes into the digital waters. They dive headfirst, armed with a toolkit of savvy strategies. Wrap your head around this. Digital marketing isn't just about witty posts. It's a dance with algorithms, a symphony of pixels that can compose your success story. Navigating the online maze isn't optional, it's your ticket to the Millionaires Club. So when the tech tides shift, adapt and conquer. In the empire of millions, your digital prowess reigns supreme. Embrace the pixels, conquer SEO like a pro, and remember, every click is a chance to rewrite your destiny. Amidst the Millionaire's treasure chest lies your ultimate guide to turning followers into fervent customers and converting likes into limitless wealth. 17. Innovative thinking. The elite players don't just stick to the script. They rewrite it, creating new chapters where others see blank pages. Wrap your head around this. Innovation isn't just a buzzword, it's the lifeline of those who seize the throne of wealth. This isn't about reinventing the wheel. It's about building a jet engine and soaring past everyone else. The creative realm isn't a mere option, it's the beating heart of your millionaire journey. When the status quo knocks, invite change to the table. In the realm of millions, your ability to innovate isn't just impressive, it's your ticket to greatness. Embrace the unorthodox, chase disruption like a hungry wolf, and remember, every idea is a stepping stone to your empire. Amidst the Millionaire's arsenal lies your key to turning dreams into patents and ideas into empires, all by mastering the dance of innovation. 18. Decision analytics. Decision analytics isn't just for the tech-savvy. It's the art of making choices that align in harmony with data. This isn't a nerdy corner, it's the grand stage of the wealthy elite. So when the crossroads loom, consult the analytics oracle. In the realm of millions, your analytical skills isn't just impressive, it's your superpower. Embrace the algorithms, crunch numbers like a virtuoso pianist, and remember, every bit of data is a pixel in your masterpiece. Amidst the Millionaire's toolbox lies your guide to turning insights into empires, all by mastering the craft of decision analytics. 19. Advanced problem solving. Advanced problem solving isn't just for the intellectually inclined. It's the art of cutting through complexity to reveal the gem of clarity. This isn't a tedious chore, it's the grand spectacle of the intellectually elite. When knots form, unleash your mental arsenal. In the domain of millions, your analytical brilliance isn't just dazzling, it's your secret weapon. Embrace the intricacies, dissect challenges like a seasoned surgeon, and remember, every obstacle is a stepping stone to your empire. Amidst the Millionaire's treasure trove lies your guide to transforming roadblocks into launching pads, all by mastering advanced problem solving. 20. In-depth industry knowledge. Cracking the code of success through unwavering dedication to keeping tabs on the latest industry buzz and insightful trends. It's like having a crystal ball that grants you the power to foresee opportunities before they even knock on your door. Let's be real, the world moves at warp speed and those who stay stagnant might as well be standing in quicksand. But fear not, seeker of success, because by arming yourself with the cutting-edge insights, you're not just riding the waves of change, you're riding them at the front. Becoming the go-to guru in your domain isn't a far-fetched dream, it's the result of the sweat, the late nights, and the voracious appetite for what's new and next. The trailblazers of wealth aren't content with yesterday's news, they're the authors of tomorrow's headlines. Every breakthrough, every innovation, every skyscraping success story starts with a simple commitment to knowing, growing, and owning your field. 21. Sales strategies. In the electrifying quest for unlocking opulence, there's a paramount move that separates the masters of the game from the rest. Delving headfirst into the art of sales. We're diving into the playbook of turning conversations into cash, and it's not your everyday sales spiel. No, we're talking about mastering the kind of enchanting strategies that propel revenue into the stratosphere. In a world where mediocrity is just background noise, you're stepping up to orchestrate deal-closing finesse. The landscape of commerce is a dynamic battleground, and the titans who emerge are those who've sharpened their swords with unparalleled techniques. Arming yourself with these sales tactics, you're not just competing, you're outplaying, outsmarting, and outshining. Transforming prospects into paying customers isn't just a skill, it's an art form honed by countless trials, epic wins, and the audacity to rewrite the rules. The magnates of prosperity don't settle for the ordinary, they're creators of the extraordinary. Remember this, every negotiation, every pitch, they're not just steps, they're leaps toward your life of affluence. Embark on a transformative journey towards prosperity with Wealthy Skills Unveiled, Secrets of Millionaires. This invaluable resource equips you with the tools to master the art of financial success, guiding you through the intricate pathways that millionaires have tread. Each reveals essential skills, from astute investment strategies to the finesse of negotiation, igniting your potential to create a life of abundance. As you absorb the wisdom held within, envision yourself sculpting a future of opulence and impact, guided by the profound insights of those who have paved the way. This is your compass to chart a course towards greatness, unraveling the secrets that empower millionaires to thrive and inspiring you to carve your own path to wealth and achievement.